Hey everyone, I'm Jamie. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I just got my FabFitFun box in the mail. So I actually went outside to grab a different package and then this was on my porch. So I'm really excited. Excited to open a bunch of things that I already paid for and picked out. So it's not really that big of a surprise, but whatever, you know, it's fun. It's like a little present to myself. So thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching this with me. If you guys don't know about FabFitFun, it is a subscription box. So there's a couple different ways that you can approach it. You could do an annual membership, or you can do a quarterly membership. So the box comes 4 times a year. And you can save some money by picking up the annual subscription. And if you are an annual subscriber, then you get to pick out your products ahead of time, and you get to pick out more products than the people who are just quarterly subscribers. So there are definite benefits to being an annual subscriber, and I am one of them. Now, the cons are you have no idea what you're getting and you have to sign up, you know, for the yearly membership not knowing. But if you do go quarterly, then you can actually probably see if the box is something that you would want or not. But in any case, the value of the box is always like so much more. I mean, I think I pay $50, $49, $99 plus tax probably, and some other, you know, things they want to throw in there for me to pay. But no matter what, you're always getting like $300 plus items out of the box. Now, you do get to customize it, so you do get to pick out most of the items that you would want, but obviously there's a limited selection there because they're only giving you like 5 items to choose from. I can go over some of that as well, but let's get into it. I'm opening up the box. It looks like this. When you get it, and there's always like this catalog in here that lets you know all the different items that you could have chose. It lets you know information about the product, how much it costs, why they picked it for the box, etc. So this is really informative and nice to have, and tells you all about what you're getting. So exciting stuff. But the weird thing is, like, I'm seeing this right here, and I don't remember seeing these items, so maybe it's just been a while since I picked things out. I pick things out and then I forget about what I ordered, and then it starts coming to me. So let's see. There's some packaging in here. Move that to the side and we'll dig into the goodies. So I just flipped through this booklet, and it actually doesn't have things like it used to have. So it's not telling you what you could have picked and what you did pick. So that kind of stinks. I don't know. I don't know what I could have picked. So let's just jump into what I did get, and I'll just talk you through it. So this first thing is, a candle. I remember I did pick this. I picked it all, so I could either say that after every item, or I could just say I picked it all. So Moroccan spice candle from Our House, which is a fancy brand that I probably would never buy a candle from. So it's nice to have this choice. And then Moroccan spice, I don't know what that's going to smell like. I'm hoping good. I've never been to Morocco. But I'm about to go there right now with this candle. So, it smells good. It smells like cinnamony and like clove. It definitely smells very much like a fall candle. Oh, and it smells delicious. So yes, something that you would eat, like gourmand, I guess they call that, and it's good. It's good. If you like yummy fall scents. It's not too sweet. It is sweet, but it's not like obnoxiously sweet. Like, I can't stand anything with syrup. Like, whenever I go to Bath and Body Works and it's like pecan, waffle, cupcake, pancake, cake, shortcake, muffins. I can't do it. It's just too sweet. I like sweet, but I just don't like anything that's like gonna make me just nauseous sweet. So That one isn't, and it's really good. Then I did get this 15% or $15 off your first FabFitFun box. I'll put this code below and you guys could use it if you are not part of FabFitFun. Then I have this from the Two Bandits. I don't know, the2bandits.com. Oh, I got this little tray. It is like a jewelry tray or whatever you want to put in it. And it spins out like this, and you can keep it on your counter and just put little things in it, whatever you need to put in there. It has like a felt bottom that has like this marbleized kind of finish, but it is a plastic, it's a plastic tray. It's got like metal on the bottom with this little backing. So it's pretty cool. I like that. You could just kind of, you could travel with this if you needed to, but I don't know that I need to, but it's nice to have things to put crap in because I got a lot of crap, so that's good. Next, I've got this renewing body cleanser from Corez, and this is in the scent Santorini Grape. So let's dig into this. These are normally like 30 bucks, I think, which is outrageous, but I've seen them at TJ Maxx for like 10. So I recommend going to TJ Maxx if you want one of these, but let's see what Santorini Grape smells like. Smells all right. I don't smell, it's very lightly fragrance. There's not a lot there. I don't really smell that much grape. It just kind of smells fruity, a little fruity. So next, let's go into this. This is the Stojo collapsible cup with 4 reusable straws. I don't know, I just saw it and thought it was the best out of the options. I don't know how often I'm gonna need a collapsible cup, but my daughter is in high school and she loves weird things. So I just thought that this might be kind of cool. So it is, what is it? It has that cup. It's a collapsible cup. Oh, I guess this is just a little thing to hold on to it. And then it's got this little top that slides on. Oh, and then it's like just this cup here. So I don't know, she'll find a use for it. She's always good like that. And it's just interesting. I have a lot of kids, so often some days I can just put something like this in my car, and then someday I'll either A, forget about it, or B, find a use for it. So that's my life. That's the story of my life. And then you can just put this back in here if you can figure it out. It's like a Rubik's Cube, and it seems like a lot of fun. So anyway, we'll figure that out some other day. Got that thing, and it's got some reusable straws in it. So that's awesome. I don't know, these can be used again and again. Okay, next I've got this bath gel from Islands of Italy, peach champagne fragrance. Sounds fancy. Let's see. I'll take this off. I don't know much about these. Okay, it smells a little peachy. Nothing too obnoxious. I don't know. I can't tell you like if it's good or not because I've never used it, but it's a bath gel and it smells okay. This is not a good review. It's definitely like a first impressions. Oh, this was an add-on. I had it on this Cloud Nola alarm. I thought this looked cool, and I was telling you about my kids. They can always use alarms, and they love cool things like this. And I think my daughter was complaining the other day that she didn't have like a separate alarm. So this is, it just shows up with the time on here, and it's this cool marbleized finish. So interesting. You can plug it in or charge it up, or it uses batteries. So I thought that was a cute little add-on, and that I know she will enjoy. That's one good thing about having like a daughter, is that she gets all the stuff I don't want and she loves it. So the next thing I got was this fry pan. So I saw they were having this, and this looked like an interesting thing. I can always use another pan. It's pretty random to get in. I guess this is like a lifestyle box. It's not really a beauty box. It's pretty random to get a little fry pan in here, but I ordered this. I don't think you get to pick the color, but I just picked blue, and this will be perfect as a new egg pan because I make eggs like all the time. So this will be great. My husband will appreciate this. All right. And we've got 2 items, it looks like, left in the box. I believe this is it. Last 2 items. This I also picked up for my daughter. This is like a little lunch pack. It's a reusable bag. So it's a reusable lunch bag, and I don't know how you do it. Oh. You put your lunch in there like that, and you can use it for sandwiches or whatever, and you just pack it up. I don't know, you roll it and do something with it, but I'll have to look at the directions. But it's this cute reusable bag, so that'll be used for sure. And then the last thing was this pumpkin and ginger detoxifying charcoal mask that I picked up. It gently detoxifies pores, clarifies and brightens, exfoliates and purifies, and it's from Pure Lease. And this is like a pumpkin pumpkin scent. Don't eat this. I'm not gonna eat it. I promise, even if it smells really good. So this is cool. It's just like a great mask. Sometimes I like to put these on before I get into the shower. And then when I'm in the shower, I can take it off. Okay. Okay, it does smell a little pumpkin-y, and it definitely has like little exfoliation beads in there. It's this white color. I'm sure it just dries out. Like it's a clay type of mask. So it will detoxify your skin and pull out some of your impurities. So awesome, excited about that as well. So that is it. Out of all the products that I got, I guess the thing that's probably gonna be the most useful is this candle and this frying pan. I'll probably get the most value out of the frying pan, and I really like the candle. So all in all, good stuff. So once again, we'll put it back in here. I got the clay mask. I got the frying pan. I have this little lunch bag. This alarm. I paid extra for this, so this was not part of the box. So part of the box, we're counting 1, 2, 3 gel wash, 4 another body cleanser, 5 this little collapsible cup, 6 the candle, 7 and this thing, 8. So I got 8 items that were part of the box, and then 1 add-on item. So that was my box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I got a bunch of junk that I never needed, but hopefully I'll find a use for. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.